Now we will see how to blur the background of a video on CapCut. Blurring the background can help focus attention on the main subject and give your video a professional look. First, drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Then, drag and drop the same video onto the upper track on the timeline. Double-click on this upper track video. Go to the editing panel and click on Remove BG, then click on Auto Removal. You will see that the analysis has started. After a few seconds, the background of this video will be removed. Next, go to the Effects tab and search for Blur. Drag and drop this effect onto the bottom track on the timeline. You will see that the video background is successfully blurred. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.